What's up everyone, Willie Apple here, and today I'd like to show you an app that you need that will help you study for tests and quizzes. WilliStudy. That means I created it and this is not sponsored or anything. It is 100% free for you. It is meant to compete with paid platforms like Quizlet. Now the reason why I created WilliStudy to begin with was because I was once struggling with a test that required basically Quizlet, because I basically relied on Quizlet's Learn Mode to study. And then eventually that became a paid feature and I could not use it anymore unless I wanted to buy however much a month it is, because I do not keep track of subscriptions that well. WilliStudy is completely free and has Learn Mode, Flashcards mode, Test mode, and Write mode. So you feel rest assured that you will be getting the best grades on your tests and exams. WilliStudy is available on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple TV, and Vision Pro. And also Apple Watch, so you can do quick studying in between classes, for example. Now let's take a look at how easy it is to use WilliStudy and get started. Alright, so here's WilliStudy. All I gotta do is open it, and you see this little screen right here. First thing you want to do is you want to click on New Set. Enter the set. Let's just say I'm studying for computer science. And to make it prominent on what I want to click on, as you can see right here, I could change the symbol. I'm going to change this to a computer, and then I press on Create. Now next thing I do is go into here, and then click on New Card. This will create a brand new flashcard that I will be able to use in any mode. So let's say my term is abstraction. Alright, so abstraction means to make methods do more than one thing, and if I want to add an image, I can add an image just like this. I could choose from the Photos app or the Finder. Now I'm going to create a quick study set to show you how to use all of these modes. Alright, I created the study set with 8 different cards. Now let's go into Learn Mode. I'm going to show you all the features inside of Learn Mode. So this is 100% free, unlike Quizlet, and you have infinite amount of tries. So you can either start with Pomodoro. So Pomodoro is basically just a timer where you just study for 25 minutes. And then after that 25 minutes, you take a 5-minute break, and then you do that again. Pomodoro is one of the best ways to study, as it gives your brain a little break after 25 minutes. Alright, so let's say this is a brand new study set, and a problem not intended to be in the code. It has to be an abstraction, right? Alright, no, so it's telling me what the correct answer is, and once I press on continue, I actually need to type in the correct answer right here. So let's just say bug, and that way this is more likely to stick into your brain, unlike just moving on to the next one. And if I get it correct, I'll hear a really nice sound that will let me know that I got it correct. Eventually, at some point, I'll get to harder questions. For example, I will get 6 cards to choose from, and then eventually 8 cards to choose from. And then I'll need to select from the entire study set what the answer is. This is good for matching quizzes. Also, at some point, I'll need to write the answer down. I will show you what write mode looks like, but this is the same exact thing as this write mode right here. So problem not intended to be in the code, this is a bug. And what the program language understands, API. The ones and zeros that tell the computer what to do. This is just the numbers, right? Once again, it tells me what the answer is, and I just type in bit. Flashcards is another mode inside of WilliStudy. So I just click, and press on next. Click again, press on next. Once you get to card number 8 and press on next, it'll actually go back to card number 1. However, you could also shuffle your cards. So this will shuffle infinitely, and then you just click, and they're basically just normal flashcards. Now, test mode is a mode where you can simulate your test. So you can simulate multiple choice tests, written answers, or selecting all, or you can even mix and match. For example, let's say this test has multiple choice or selecting all the answers. So if the programming language understands, that is an API, and at some point I'll eventually get to the matching parts of the test. I'll have to select from all the answers inside the study set. Now let's say this is a study set that nobody in the world knows, and I made an interesting discovery, and people can just study from this. With a Willy account, you're able to upload your study sets to the cloud inside this Discover tab right here. So once you click on this button, you can allow others to remix it, and then you just click on Upload. And once it's in the cloud, you'll see it on the top of the Discover tab. You just click and then move on. You can even send it a like, or even study it for yourself by clicking on the Study tab. It goes back into it and shows you all the answers right here, and also gives you the option to go into Learn, Flashcards, Write, or Test mode. And to get to it anytime, all you gotta do is click on the Studying tab, and you have it right there ready for you. Now that is WilliStudy. It is free on the App Store, so I'll leave a link down in the description down below and in the pinned comment. And once again, it's available on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple TV, Apple Watch, and Vision Pro, all for 100% free. And thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, and download WilliStudy today, because it will definitely help you study for your tests and quizzes.